deeply seated within the system. Kailangan masalimuot at detalyado ang ating magiging investigasyon at para matignan. And yan ang magiging trabaho ngayon ng ating independent commission. The rules are still in place, but we haven't been following them. The laws are in place, but we haven't been following them. Yun ang problema doon. And we haven't been following them, apparently, it turns out, for at least 21 years. Because the date we keep seeing is 2003. So 21 years na ganito. So it got worse and worse and worse and worse. And the shocking part of this is that it became normalized. Hindi, ganyan talaga eh. Ganyan talaga ang patakbo eh. Pumayag naman yung mga iba. Hindi ako papayag. Kaya hindi ganyan ang patakbo. Hindi dapat ganyan ang patakbo. Dapat malaman kung paano tayo nagkaganto. How did we get to this terrible point where all of these actuations, ito yung mga kickback, lahat yung mga pinag-uusapan natin, naging institutionalized, naging normal. And that's what we are going to have to investigate, and we have to bubuwagin natin yung